Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be fitting a VSR to our campervan conversion. Now what this does, it's a bit like a narrowboat where you run your engine and you can charge your batteries. So obviously a regular car or van does this normally. It just charges its, starter battery that it has inside the engine bay. But we want to charge our leisure batteries using the engine. So there is a little device that allows you to do that, and that's a VSR, which is a volt sensitive relay. And you pretty much install this onto your battery. It's very simple, onto your starter battery. So you get a positive from your starter battery to the little VCR, and then a positive and a negative running to your leisure batteries. So once your alternator has fully charged up your starter battery, it will then trickle charge into your leisure batteries. There will be a volt drop because of the distance you have to go, and it's DC, but it still works, and you still get about, I think we tested about 13 odd volts, but yeah, it's been working brilliantly. So this is when we're driving along and we don't get very nice sunny days, and we can't rely on the solar to charge the batteries. We drive along and then the alternator charges our leisure batteries. It's an absolutely brilliant design. And I think everyone should do this with their campervan conversions because it's quite cheap, easy to do. Without further ado, let's get on with the video.
I can't see. I found a hole. You said put it through the firewall, didn't you? So I found a hole.
There it is.
Can you see it? Oh, you got it. Quite easy. Quite a bit through because you need to get to that piece. It's going to pour down a minute, but I'll stop anyway. VCR's now going back in the van. VSR, sorry.
So this 12 volt wire goes from the battery to this VCR.
VSR, yeah.
VSR.
Voltage sensitive relay, split rod relay, but it's a bit better than just a normal split charge relay.
What does it attach to? The alternator?
No, it attaches to the
So the battery flows.
starter battery.
So the power flows through the starter battery to the.
Once this is up to power, once the alternator powers this, it opens this up, and then the residual power goes to our leisure batteries and charges them as we're driving. So as we're driving along, we're charging our batteries as well.
Drill ourselves a hole so we can run this wire through to the batteries. There you go. Now obviously we've got to hide this wire. Can't have it just like this to get caught around the pedal. So I think about hiding it behind here. I've already got a wire with your reversing sensors behind here. It's pretty thick though, this stuff. That off, which is fine. We can run it under here as well, this piece of plastic. So try and there's a lot of screws on this one though. As you can see behind that bolt, oh yeah, there's the end of the bolt. We can tuck that. Taking this little panel off now. Put it through there for now. Right, there we go. Got it through the top of this now. Just run it through the hole. That's our wire hidden. Good job of hiding that. Right, got to put that back on in a minute. Here's the other end of the wire that will plug into our leisure batteries.
It's a good way of repurposing cable. Solid copper, this is the old-fashioned proper cable. It's a good way of repurposing it. All over the place.
So we've now got to put this orange wire here onto the positive of the lead acid. There, you see that? So as you see that, we got that on now. That took about 5 minutes. No, I'm kidding, it took about like an hour to do. With a lot of screaming and shouting, so you don't want to see that.
Something's not working here. It's definitely on, but I think the bolt's too long, so this doesn't work. I might have to just cut myself now. Oh, I don't know what's going on. It's not funny, is it, if you can't see anything? Oh, wouldn't you believe it? It fits on.
Hiya.
Hi. No light. It was these, isn't they? Right for ground. There's enough copper in there, but
Just put a ground cable on this negative of the battery.
if it's right. No, I just can't see the hole at the moment. It's so dark.
Attach this to the chair, you say, because do you think the chair's grounded, or do you know the chair's grounded?
No, I soon check. I don't know if that. I'm trying to find the box for that. What we've done, we've had to put a ground in to our batteries here. And we've connected the ground to the batteries in the front of the vehicle. We've just got to put this cable, this heavy duty cable through. That was just to test it. So just got to put this heavy duty cable through. But it's all working fine now, and it charges up the batteries. There's a bit of a voltage drop by about 1 volt. There's 14.7 at the engine, but the time it gets through the cable to the batteries, it's like 13.8 or something. But that's to be expected because the cable's got to go quite a way.
Well, hope you all enjoyed that little video. It was only about five minutes. I could have gone a bit more into detail, but the trouble is, I'm not just filming that dedicated job, I'm doing other stuff as well. I'm filming other videos at the same time, so I'm trying to do one job and Dad's like, oh, I want to do this VCR, I want to do this VCR, so it gets on my nerves. So I do one thing and then I come and film that, and then yeah. Anyway, we got it done in the end. VCR is on, using it for a few weeks now, no problems whatsoever. It's been charging the batteries up, you know, whenever Dad drives to work, so our batteries are always practically fully charged. So it's a great way of utilising your engine and your alternator in the engine to charge your Lesuire batteries. Because otherwise the power's just going to waste, isn't it? Once your starter battery's fully charged. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Give it a like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.